AI is everywhere right now. You see it all over the internet. But most people either feel overwhelmed by it or they feel like they've been left behind. And that's exactly why I've created AI Express. This isn't a course for tech experts. It's for ordinary people like me and you, creators, business owners, beginners, product creators, and those who want to use AI practically without the overwhelm or the jargon. Inside AI Express, I'll show you how I use the tools within Fowl.ai. And this is a platform that I use myself to personally make thumbnails, content for my reels, for my Facebook pages, to make them look a little bit more exciting than the ordinary. You can create some fantastic eye-catching images and videos using some of these platforms that I'll be showing you inside AI Express. Some scroll stopping content for your pages, and faster than you've ever thought possible. And better than that, there's no subscriptions, no theory, no hype, just step-by-step lessons that you can start using straight away. If you've ever thought AI, wow, that sounds powerful, I'll never be able to use it, it's far too complicated. Well, that's what I've done, step by step, easy instructions on how to use some of these fantastic tools that are out there and available to us. Welcome to AI Express. My name is David Martinson. Let's create faster and post smarter.